Hello, everyone. Let me start by asking you a simple question. How many English words do you think you know? Maybe 1,000? Maybe 5,000? Now, here is something surprising. You might know thousands of English words and still struggle to have a simple conversation. Yes, it happens to many learners. You study English for years. You memorize vocabulary lists. You read articles and watch videos. You recognize many words when you hear them. But when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. Why does this happen? The reason is something I call the 300-word trap. Today I want to explain exactly what this trap is, why so many English learners fall into it, and how you can escape from it. By the end of this talk, you will understand an important secret about language learning. You will see that you do not need thousands of words to communicate well. In fact, you can start having real conversations with just a few hundred words. Are you ready to discover how this works? Let's begin with a short story. Meet Daniel. Daniel is from Mexico. He studied English in school for almost 8 years. During that time, he learned a lot of vocabulary. He can read English websites. He can even write professional emails. But when Daniel meets someone who speaks English fluently, something strange happens. He freezes. He becomes nervous. And sometimes he cannot even form a simple sentence. Does this situation sound familiar to you? Daniel's experience is actually very common. Millions of English learners around the world face the same challenge. They know many words, but they cannot use them easily in real conversations. They spend years collecting vocabulary, but speaking still feels difficult. This is exactly what the 300-word trap looks like. So what is the 300-word trap? It begins with a simple belief. Many learners believe that to speak English well, they must know a very large number of words. Because of this belief, they focus all their energy on memorizing vocabulary. They study long word lists. They use flashcards. They download vocabulary apps. They learn 10 or 20 new words every day. At first, this feels productive. It feels like progress. But over time, something unexpected happens. They spend so much time collecting words that they forget to practice actually using them. They become experts at recognizing vocabulary, but beginners at speaking. They become word collectors, not word users. Think about cooking for a moment. A professional chef does not need to know every ingredient in the world. A great chef simply knows how to use a small number of ingredients in many creative ways. Language works in a very similar way. You do not need to know every word in English. What matters is learning how to use common words effectively. Interestingly, researchers who study language have discovered something remarkable. When native English speakers have everyday conversations, they do not use extremely large vocabularies. In fact, daily conversations usually rely on a relatively small group of common words that appear again and again. Even more surprising, a few hundred of the most common words appear in a large percentage of spoken English. This means that if you truly master a small group of words, but many learners ignore these simple words. Instead, they chase difficult vocabulary because they believe complicated language sounds more intelligent. However, native speakers often prefer simple language. Simple words are fast. Simple words are clear. Simple words are flexible, and flexibility is extremely powerful in communication. Let's look at an example. Consider the word get. It is a very basic word, but it can be used in many different ways. Get up, get in, get out, get ready, get started, get better. One small word can appear in dozens of expressions. This is the beauty of simple vocabulary. Basic words can combine together in many creative ways to express complex ideas. So what is the real secret behind English fluency? Fluency is not about knowing thousands of words. Fluency is about using a small group of words quickly, naturally, and confidently. Think about how children learn their first language. A baby does not memorize dictionaries. A baby hears a few simple words and repeats them many times. Mama, dada, more, no. These simple words slowly become automatic. The child does not stop to think before speaking them. They simply come out naturally. This is exactly the process language learners should follow. Instead of constantly chasing new vocabulary, focus on mastering the most useful words. Use them repeatedly. Create sentences with them. Speak them out loud. Let them become automatic. When this happens, your brain begins to produce sentences more easily. Speaking becomes faster and smoother. Let's look at another example. Here is a complicated sentence. I am experiencing considerable difficulty understanding this information. Now listen to the simpler version. I don't understand this. Both sentences communicate the same message, but the second one is clearer, shorter, and more natural. In real conversations, people usually choose the easiest words that communicate their idea. Communication is not a competition to sound impressive. Communication is about sharing ideas clearly. When you focus on simple language, something important begins to change. Your confidence grows. You stop worrying about forgetting complicated vocabulary. You trust the words you already know. You begin to express your ideas more freely. People understand you easily, and conversations become more enjoyable. So, how can you start improving today? First, stop believing that you must constantly learn new words. Second, choose a group of common everyday words and focus on mastering them. Practice using them in sentences. Combine them in different ways. Speak them out loud every day. You can even challenge yourself with a simple daily exercise. Choose a few words and create multiple sentences with them. Describe your day. Ask questions. The goal is repetition and familiarity. Over time, these words will become part of your natural speaking style. And when that happens, you will notice something amazing. Your sentences will become smoother. Your ideas will come faster. Your confidence will grow stronger. The truth is that language learning does not have to be complicated. You do not need to know every word. You only need to know enough words and use them well. Simple words are not weak. They are the foundation of communication. They are the tools that allow you to share your thoughts, your stories, and your ideas with others. So, stop worrying about memorizing endless vocabulary lists. Start using the words you already know. Speak simply. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Because sometimes the simplest words carry the strongest meaning. And the moment you begin using them, your real English speaking journey truly begins.